Are you planning to sell your car but worried if you need to pay GST? Let's decode this new tax twist. In a recent announcement during the 50th GST Council meeting, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman revealed that a flat 18% GST will now be imposed on used cars. Shocking, right? But here's the twist. This tax isn't on everybody. Stay with me to understand who pays how much and why. Earlier GST rates on used vehicles varied between 5% and 28% depending on the type of car. Now, it's a uniform 18% which applies to all old and used vehicles, including electric vehicles sold by registered businesses. But wait, if you're an individual selling your car privately, you need not to worry about this. This GST change doesn't apply to you. So how exactly is this 18% GST calculated? Let's break it down. GST is not imposed on the total value of the car. Instead, it's only on the margin earned by dealers. The difference between the purchase price and the resale price. Here's an example. Suppose a dealer buys a car for Rs 12 lakh and sells it for Rs 9 lakh. He thus incurs a loss of Rs 3 lakh and therefore will not have to pay any tax. But if a dealer buys a car for Rs 5 lakh and sells it for Rs 6 lakh, he profits by 1 lakh. Here, he has to pay 18% GST on the profit margin of Rs 1 lakh. Now, in case of depreciation under Income Tax Act, let's say if a car's depreciated value is Rs 10 lakh, but the dealer sells it for Rs 8 lakh, then he suffers a loss of Rs 2 lakh and now he doesn't have to pay any GST. On the other hand, if he sells it for Rs 12 lakh, then he has to pay 18% GST on the margin of Rs 2 lakh. This decision has started discussion across the country. With India's used car market growing fast, many think this step is a way for the government to earn more money from the booming business. So there you have it. If you are a car dealer, this new GST rule will definitely impact you. But if you're just someone selling your old car, you can breathe easy. So what do you think about this new move? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more such detailed updates.